my legends!
Hey guys, this is part 2 of our mini lithium series. We're going to walk you through the installation process of our new batteries.
Yeah, and talk about whether you need new chargers, our current charging system and all that sort of stuff. So.
We promise we'll make it as interesting as possible.
And full of knowledge, that's what it's all about. We're trying to share our little bit of wisdom with the rest of you.
Enjoy! On Nandji, our battery bank is under here, under our stairwell. We normally keep our grab bag on top of it, but it's over there right now, so.
So in here we have our starter battery and our 3 house bank batteries. This here is our starter battery, and then these 3 here are the 3 AGM house batteries that we plan on changing to lithium. So we'll just disconnect all these bad boys, we'll pull these out, and we'll drop the lithiums in. We only have 3 AGM 100 amp hour batteries, and we plan on exchanging that for 3 100 amp hour batteries but lithium. With the lithium, because you can discharge up to 80%, so you're basically getting more power for the same amount of amp hours. So I'll keep these and I'll reuse these guys. We originally only had 200 amp hours, but before we left Australia I wanted to up our battery bank, so we added an extra battery. So red's positive, black's negative. But I had these other 2 little cables made up and they were blue, and so I just taped the ends just to be dummy proof.
For any ladies out there with little arms like mine, AGM are really heavy batteries and lithium are really light. So I'll show you.
See if you can't get this out.
I don't know.
Pull out the AGM. Bend your knees, watch your back.
Oh!
Put him down, careful.
AGM. I can lift it, but...
That sucked, didn't it?
Yeah, it sucked.
I reckon AGM batteries weigh probably at least 20 kilos. Lithium weigh about 10. So they're probably half of the weight, I reckon. Easy.
The RELiON batteries are designed to be the same shape as AGM batteries, so you can just have a straight swap.
One in, one out.
One in, one out. Easy.
Show us what you got. I'll just check the voltage of each individual battery, because if they're different voltage, they'll equal out to the lowest voltage. I expect them to all be the exact same because they're all brand new healthy batteries. They should be about 13 or something, I reckon, from memory. 13.16, 17, 13.17, 13.17.
Very nice.
For good quality electrical conductivity, you need to have nice clean terminations and terminals. So you put your termination onto the battery and then you put a washer and a split washer on the bolt side to hold it tight. Nandji operates on a 12 volt system and therefore the batteries are wired in parallel. And just like that, we're installed. The biggest thing about batteries is it's not the amount of amp hours you have, but it's how you replenish that. So we've updated the batteries, but do we need to update the charging systems? This is a big question because a lot of people seem to think that if you upgrade the batteries, your old chargers will not charge. So generally your old unit will charge your batteries. You just need to check what voltage and amps that unit charges at. Generally it'll be compatible, but it won't fully charge the batteries. For us here on Nandji, we installed 2 Victron units when we installed our new solar panels. But we still have 1 old charge controller from our old panels that we have on the davits. But because we have 2 charge controllers that do support lithium iron phosphate, these 2 here are okay, so we should be sweet to be able to continually fully charge our batteries, but we will look to upgrade this in the future when we get to Malaysia. The lithium batteries are much more efficient than old AGM batteries, and they'll charge a lot faster. So previously we'd have to have the sun till about 10 AM to get our AGM batteries charged. These here will charge in half the time. They're pretty smart. They've got like an inbuilt computer that protects them against like overcharging, overdrawing, too much current, too hot, short circuiting, that sort of stuff. So if any of that sort of things, the battery will switch off and disconnect itself too. So that's another added element of safety.
So when these batteries get full, do you have to disconnect them?
No, you don't. There's no need. It's just the same. They'll go on float charge and they won't be overcharged because they're smart. They basically say no more. So what do you reckon, Benita? Are you excited by our new change, our upgrade?
I am so excited. Our old batteries were really bad. I mean, we have been living for months without a fridge because of this, you know, and then our fridge died. But before that, we were living without a fridge because we couldn't charge it. And so, yeah, our quality of life is...
It's going to be improved. It's going to be amazing. Listening to music at night, it's just the little luxuries that a lot of people would take for advantage. You have no idea what we go through on there.
Being able to relax and watch a movie, or, you know, like, we're just constantly having to monitor everything. And we want something cold, we've got cheese, so we'll turn the fridge on. But now we want to charge a laptop, so we have to unplug everything. And it was just a full-on juggle, and then trying to juggle sailing safely as well. So all of that is about to end, and we can just focus on...
Yeah, I'm really excited to monitor the charge of these and just to really witness the difference and see how much it does change our lives, because I can already tell, because I can see the anchor light at night, so it's already great.
Yeah. Yeah, no, we're stoked.
Yeah, we're stoked.
We're stoked.
Yeah, we hope that gives you a lot of information and insight into the difference between the two sorts of batteries and why we chose to go lithium, and for us, why we say it's the way of the future.
Yeah, we do. We just think that there's all positives and no downfalls to a lithium battery.
Yeah.
We'll do an update on the batteries and let you know how it's going, and we can show you some of the things that have happened. Yeah. We're probably going to end up with a huge TV and like a vacuum cleaner and like a freezer. We're going to have like a stereo system, like hair straightener, hair dryer, everything.
Alright, we can definitely get a fridge and freezer. I'm so keen for cold stuff.
Yes, cold stuff. Woo!
Yeah, alright, thanks legends.
See you guys.